You know you're in a good hotel when you get inside of the elevator and it talks. It's one of those, you know?
First floor. Second floor. Third floor.
I'm like, man, she sounds hot.
You've probably seen those crazy funny stickman comedy videos all over TikTok and YouTube lately, right? Yeah, those simple animations with hilarious stand-up voices behind them, racking up millions of views? Well, guess what? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how those videos are made, and we're doing everything 100% free, using nothing but AI tools you can access right now. No paid software. No expensive subscriptions. Just pure creativity and free AI magic. So if you've ever wanted to create one of those viral stickman comedy clips yourself, stay till the end. Because I'll show you the one trick that makes the animation feel alive, just like the viral ones you've been seeing. Alright, first thing we need is the voice. The funny part. So open TikTok and scroll for any stand-up comedy clip that actually makes you laugh. Just make sure the joke or dialogue is clear, short, and funny. Once you find it, copy the link. Now head to your browser and type TikTok Video Downloader. Click on any clean site, you'll see many of them. Paste your link. And instead of downloading the full video, hit Download MP3. This gives us just the audio, that's what we'll animate later. Simple, right? You've just captured the sound that'll bring your AI stickman to life. Next, go to Adobe Express. We're using Adobe Express because it has a completely free AI animation maker. If you click on the wrong link, you'll probably end up on the paid Adobe page, so make sure you're on the Express version. Once you're there, hit Start Now. Pick any avatar or stickman character that fits the vibe. Then choose your aspect ratio, 9:16 if you're making a TikTok or YouTube short, or 16:9 for YouTube videos. Now, let's make the background look like a comedy stage. On Adobe Express, there's no stage-style background by default. So here's the trick. Go to Freepik.com and search for Cartoon Stage Background. Download any that looks fun, something with lights, maybe a little spotlight effect. I'm okay with this one. But wait, there's still something missing, the audience. And this is where the real AI magic happens. Head to aistudio.google.com, select Try Nano Banana. Now upload that stage background you got from Freepik. In the prompt box, type, add cartoon characters sitting and facing the stage. Nano Banana will generate a version of your stage with people in the audience. If the first result doesn't look right, tweak your prompt. Try funny cartoon audience or colorful animated crowd. Do this a few times until it looks perfect. Boom! Now you've got a real comedy show background. Head back to Adobe Express and upload that AI-generated background. At the bottom of the screen, click Browse, then upload the MP3 audio you downloaded from TikTok. Now, this is the fun part. Wait a few seconds while Adobe Express does its AI magic. It's going to animate your stickman's mouth and body to match the voice. When it finishes, hit play. You'll see your stickman actually performing that comedy routine. But hold on, something's missing. Look closely. Yeah, there's no microphone. Let's fix that. Before downloading, you might see a pop-up that says, Go to Adobe Express. Just cancel that, and your video will download automatically. Now go to your browser again and search Cartoon Stage Mic PNG. Download one you like. Make sure it's transparent. Open your editing app, CapCut, VN, Premiere Pro, anything free works. Import your AI video and drop in the mic PNG. Adjust its position so it's right in front of your stickman. And that's it. You've just created a funny stickman stand-up animation using AI. Completely free. Now imagine this. You post this clip on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. And boom, it goes viral because people love funny, simple animations like this. That's literally how most of those viral stickman videos are made. No team, no big budget, just creativity and free AI tools. If this video helped you, hit that like button and drop a comment saying, I'm next. So I'll know you're about to create yours too. And trust me, you'll want to subscribe. Because in my next video, I'll show you how to make the same stickman move and talk in full motion, using AI only. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.